Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
S.A.W. wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdul Karim, and today is one of the holy days of Ramadan. Alhamdulillah, we've waited all year and it's finally here. Ramadan is a special time, that special month when our good deeds are multiplied. So I'm urging each and every one of you, strive to do a little good each day. You know, above and beyond your regular good I'm talking about. I mean, if you're just naturally good person, just walking around, doing good, you know, you've got to strive to do a little bit extra in this holy month. Why? This month your good deeds are multiplied. And you know what? If you reach Jannah, if you reach heaven, if you reach paradise for all eternity, those good deeds are multiplied and multiplied, and they're multiplied times eternity. They're multiplied because they're good deeds. They're multiplied because it's Ramadan, and they're multiplied because you're Muslimin doing good deeds during Ramadan. Then it is multiplied for eternity because Jannah lasts eternity. Jannah is the eternal paradise for the believers. So I'm asking each and every one of you, strive for the goodness, strive for the greatness, do good deeds during this holy month. This is the holy month, the best month to be alive. This is the best month to be a Muslim. So I'm urging each and every one of you, abstain from sin like it was a plague and do good deeds. Do extra good deeds on this month. Why? Because it will give you times goodness for all eternity. My name's Abdul Karim. This is Call to Goodness. And remember your abdul. Remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Put your head on the ground and worship your maker. This is the holy month, and we are the Muslimin, the Ummah of Islam. This is the best month. I'm urging each and every one of you, take every advantage you can get. Well, thank you for watching. Feel free to hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and you know, give us a comment. Say, yo Abdul, it's hard times. Give me a advice on this. I'm always willing to give advice to a fellow Muslim, and even a non-Muslim. I'll give advice to anybody. If you need help, if you need advice, I'll try as best as I can to help you out. So thanks for watching, and remember your maker, and come to goodness.